We are here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at apartment 8G. Let's head on in. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom apartment here at Collegetown Plaza, located at 111 Dryden Road. We're going to enter and look at the common areas first, and then we'll come around and see the bedrooms. So we'll head to our left. You can see there's a refrigerator right here on the kitchen hallway, and right across from here is our kitchen area. This is a compact kitchen layout, but we have 2 refrigerators. You have that microwave. There is the dishwasher underneath the sink. We have some great cabinet space in here, and you have your stove and oven over along the side. Let's go on through. This apartment is 5 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms. A half bathroom means a room with a toilet and a sink. So that's this right here. It's just off the living room space. That's handy to have for your guests and visitors. Let's look into the living room or common space for the apartment. You can see here we have a nice table for dining. We have some seating areas. There's a TV that comes with the apartment. There is an air conditioner that is for the living room. This is a living room air conditioner. So again, that big TV. Let's go over and take a look out the windows. We're on the 8th floor of this 9-floor building, so we're pretty high up and we have some beautiful views. We're going to look out this main living room window. Over to our right, you can see Cayuga Lake. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see that a little better, but we have a beautiful lake view from up here in most of the bedrooms and the living room here in this apartment. This is downtown Ithaca ahead of us. And you can see over to our left, that's Eddy Street. So we're right in the center of the busy Collegetown neighborhood. And we have 2 windows in this living room. We have another really nice feature here in this apartment. You have your own washer and dryer. The stacked washer and dryer are here for your use. There's also a laundry room down on the 5th floor within the building. These apartments with the G in their apartment number will be the ones with the washers and dryers. So 4G through 9G are these units that are the 5 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms. We're going to go down past where we entered and we'll go start looking at the bedrooms. We'll stop by one of the full-size bathrooms first. So this is just past the entrance, and this is one of the full bathrooms. I like the layout of this one. So that's one thing to pay attention to in these G apartments, that this bathroom here will be slightly different in each of the units. This one has that nice big mirror. And over on our right, we have one of those cabinets there that I think we have it open so you can see. So those are really nice for extra storage, and a nice full standing shower. Let's look in the bedrooms. All of the bedroom doors have a lock. We're going to start with bedroom 1. This is to the far right in the apartment. The bedrooms will all have a tall bookshelf, a dresser, some sort of desk or study table, storage for your clothes. This one has the closet like that you can see, and a bed over here. It's a regular full-size bed. Their apartments are very similar in the layout. These apartments 4G through 9G. So it's good to take a look at the different videos to see different ways that you can possibly arrange the furniture within the apartments. This is room 2, so we're just going down the hall. This is across from that bathroom we were in. Room 2, same furnishings, same west-facing view. And over here, bookshelf, closet over here. So you can get ideas of different ways to arrange the furniture. That was that bathroom we were already in. Here is that entrance that we originally came in, right over here. And across from that is the other of the full-size bathrooms, the second full bathroom. And you can see it also has that standing shower. And we have the nice vanity, the big mirror with the light. And there is another one of those cabinets on the wall. You can see it a little bit reflected in the mirror. And so great storage space. So those are the 2 full bathrooms that are on the hallway. We have one more full bathroom in here, and that you're going to find inside room 3. So room 3 has the 3rd full bathroom. It's an ensuite. Let's go on in. And you can see this one has a study table instead of a desk. We're trying to maximize your floor space in here, as well as a wardrobe instead of a closet. So this is nice. You can put some stuff up on top, and those doors do open, and there's a drawer at the bottom. And let's take a look before we go in the bathroom. Just another look at the view. It's really pretty up here. So this west-facing view is really nice and bright. And then, so this is the bedroom that has its own private ensuite bathroom. This is just for room 3. You've got your own bathroom in here. Again, with that large lighted mirror, your vanity and sink. There's a cabinet underneath your toilet and that full-size standing shower. And the window in here does have the frosted glass, which is nice because that gives you some extra privacy. You don't have to worry about that. The bedrooms windows all have shades that you can pull up and down and adjust. Let's go look at those last two bedrooms. Room 4 is over here. This is the corner of the building, and because it's the corner, we've got 2 windows, so it's extra bright. This is a lovely bright room. We have a south-facing south-facing view. That's over here. This is south. And the west-facing view, which is towards downtown Ithaca. And again, the furnishings are the same. Here's one of the ones with the bed tucked in that corner. Some people put the bed here, some people put their desk over there. You can do whatever you like. And the closet is over behind the door over here. There's the closet for the room. And one more bedroom, room 5. So we've got, remember, 3.5 bathrooms. This is our most bathrooms per person that we would have in our larger apartments is going to be these G apartments. 4 through 9 will be this layout of the 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Apartment 2G is 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Apartment 3G is 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. And again, this is room 5. This is the last of our bedrooms. So this one is facing to the south. So we have that nice south view. Very bright. Here's our closet, the bookshelf. So that's a look inside apartment 8G. If you've seen the videos, you'll see that apartments 4G through 9G are very similar. The differences to look for would be in that first bathroom and just how the furniture is laid out. Also the view out the window. If you're on a higher floor, you're going to get a better view. So we're in Collegetown Plaza, located at 111 Dryden Road. We're a half a block down from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, and from there, we're located just 1 block to campus at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 8G, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms.